Day, John here, Johnny Investor Howard. I found another Jim Cramer clip. This is a great clip because this is actually back in February 27th, right as the pandemic was hitting. If you are a stock market investor, even if you're not, it's okay. But if you are, you know that things got real scary in March, towards the end of March, and going down. But this clip is as of February 27th, and what he does is he recommends 10 stocks, which are he calls the high growth stay-at-home stocks, and this is back in February 27th. So I want to go ahead and show you the clip.
To buy. Don't forget Dominion and Con Ed's great. Oh, well, I guess I got a lot of spare time on my hands. Highest growth bounces back. These are the names of the stocks that could work while we wait for the coronavirus to run its course. This is my at-home shopping list. Okay.
Right here, I'm going to pause that for everybody. So what I did is I went ahead and I took a look at what these prices were going back. About the closest date I could get is February 24th, okay? So you take a look at Adobe. Back in February 24th, that was $336, and now it's $462. I'm not going to do the exact percentage gains here, folks, just because the spirit of this is not really about that. I mean, well, obviously it is, it's growth, but I didn't want to, nail down the exact percentage. So basically that's about, 37%. The next one is Etsy. Etsy's a big one. Even Etsy still is below 20 billion market cap. But back in February 24th, it was 57, and now it's 140. Okay, then we got Moderna. I'm actually don't really do a whole lot of, biotech. I'm more kind of high growth tech. But Moderna was it was actually 25, and now it's 97. So Moderna came out with that vaccine, so that's a big one for them. But that's a big one right there. Next is Nvidia. February 24th, it was 270. Now it's 523. Nvidia. I do follow them. I don't have an investment or exposure to them just yet, but I do follow them, and that is artificial intelligence. Okay. Then it's Ring Central, and that was 235 back in February, and now it's 294. And that is, I'm following them as well. That is like a competitor to Zoom, okay? Zoom Communications. Then there is Shopify. I do have exposure to Shopify. Shopify back in February 24th was 463. Now it's 988. As you can see, that's basically more than double your investment, okay? Then there's Square. I don't have a position in Square, but I am following them. And they were 83 back in February 24th, and they are 195 now. And then I'm not following the trading desk and Teladoc, and maybe I will later, but I'm not following them right now. And then the last is Zoom. Zoom's probably the biggest one that I missed. I do have the financials. Zoom just the valuation is so out of control for Zoom, and their revenues are just super teeny tiny that I've just opted not to invest, but I am still watching them. They were 105 back in February 24th, and they are 439 now. So that would have been a big one, almost 4x your money right there. So there you go, folks. That is the 10 stocks. And I really enjoyed Jim Cramer actually back in 2007 when I did my first investment in Apple. He had recommended them because the iPhone was coming out, and it made a whole lot of sense to me back then. I was actually put a little bit of money into a bar here in Los Angeles, and I actually split the amounts. I put the same amount there that I put in Apple, and the whole goal was to see which one would do better. Obviously, there's not much of a challenge there, but basically, I did end up selling some of my Apple shares, quite a bit of it actually, back in 2009 from the 2008 financial crisis. But that particular lesson, that particular experience, I should say, has taught me a lesson, and that is I really don't want to sell. I mean, I want to get onto these growth companies, and I want to ride the wave, and I want to do the best I can with my investments there. I did miss a lot of Apple from, let's say, 2009 to 2013, but I have, gone back and purchased a lot of Apple as well. But, ever since that, I really always liked Jim Cramer, but ever since that whole Apple experience, I really pay attention to kind of what he has and what he says. He's real good at it, even if a company's really, really super big and, the hundreds of billions of market cap, he still will give some good guidance. Okay, so thank you guys. You can get my M1 Finance Investor Pie link. You'll see it on here. If you're not already, you can make money from your social media profiles, generate leads, or generate profits. My program is Profile Profit Machine, or get my wealth and instant credit blueprint. That link is below. It's only $7. Have a great weekend, and thank you.